Welcome to our channel. So this video will actually give you information on how to install Keycloak on Mac operating system. So our team has been working on Keycloak for the past few weeks, and we have searched multiple places over the internet on how to install Keycloak on a Mac operating system. There were very less resources for the latest version of Keycloak. So we are going ahead and doing this video with the Keycloak version 19.0.2. So let's go ahead and do the download. So we need to download the tar.zz file of Keycloak powered by Quads for the version 19.0.2. So while this gets downloaded, this is the documentation of how we can install the software on any operating systems, and there are few prerequisites for installation of Keycloak. Your operating system should run Java. You need to have Java 8 JRE or Java 11 JRE. You need to download the zip or gzip version. I'm downloading the gzip one. You need to have at least 512 MB of RAM, at least 1 GB of disk space, and a shared database. It can be PostgreSQL, MySQL, or anything. And there are few other requisites. I will be attaching this link to the description of this video. You can access and go through this documentation. So now that our Keycloak is downloaded, the file is downloaded, let's go over here and unzip it. So these are the files of the Keycloak. If you can go through, you can see that there is kc.sh, and if you go inside, there are other files related to jar. So what we need to majorly do is, at this folder level, we need to run our terminal. There are just two commands that we need to execute to make sure that the Keycloak server is up and running in our system. So the build, first of all, let us use the command sudo bin/kc.sh build. You'll have to enter your system password for this and give it some time. Keycloak during build, it will update the configuration and install your custom providers if there are any. Please wait for some time. So yes, so this has been completed. If you want to check any of the configurations related to Keycloak, you can use this command kc.sh show config, and it will show all the configurations related to this Keycloak file. So let us now move forward and deploy the server. Let us use this command sudo bin/kc.sh start/-dev. So this command will start your server. Please to remember, these are the only two commands that you need to run Keycloak on your Mac operating system. At the end of this execution, you will get a URL. As you can see over here, this is the URL, this is the port on which the Keycloak is running. I'll copy this. So let's go forward and open it in our Chrome. So as you can see, we have Keycloak up and running in our system. You have to first of all create an account for yourself. So I'll create an account of mine. I'll give my email ID, enter password, and I'll create the account. So the account is created. Now you can easily go in and log into your Keycloak admin panel. So you're here in the admin panel. You can create your runs, you can do all the settings that you need, and you can collaborate with your team and work on Keycloak from your Mac operating system as well. Thank you so much, guys. Please leave a like if you found this video to be useful.